Hello everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can order PayPal virtual credit card. So for that you need to visit this website, PayPal slash prepaid.com, www.paypal slash prepaid. So after visiting this website you will be redirected to this page and then just click get start. And it's very simple, you don't need to worry about anything. Just fill up your name, address, zip code, email ID, the ID which you used to log in with your PayPal, obviously. And some of the questions you just need to answer them. And after doing that, you need to choose this according to your needs. And then you need to choose the card. Okay. After choosing the card, just press order a card. So yeah, that's how you order PayPal virtual credit card.